What's good, everybody? You're welcome to our space, the Beer Biceps and Monk Entertainment office. That's right, BB and Monkey. I wanted to show you all the space for a very long time, but it's finally almost done. It's like 95% there, so I thought it's a great time to give you all an office tour. Most of you all have been subscribers for a long time, so you know that initially our office was just my room, then we went to the ground floor of my building, and now we've actually got a commercial office space because there's two companies running out of this place, two profitable companies, and that's why we've been able to get this space. I just thought I'll show you all around the office, I'll show you all around what we do, how we actually run these businesses, starting with this spot. The spot is my favorite spot in the office, primarily because of two reasons. One, the super high ceiling. We don't get this in Mumbai. And two, the second big reason is this. This is the mascot of the Monk Entertainment Company. The word Monk Entertainment is a representative of the co-founders' meditation mentality. Both Viraj and myself are big meditators. And it also represents the mascot. That's a monkey, a bandar. So the mascot is a meditating monkey. And as you can see, it's a super peaceful monkey because we want every element in the office to kind of add to company culture a little bit. So super peaceful, super zen, but at the same time active. If you just look around the office, there's a lot of yellow elements. For example, this massive couch, as you can see, massive big yellow element. The monkey, it's yellow themed because you need to understand color psychology. So basically, depending on the kind of color that's used in a particular room or on a particular prop, that adds a whole mood to the room. And the mood we wanted to set in the office was active, positive, little bit disciplined, little bit zen, but overall happy doing the hard work. That's the vibe that yellow sets for room. So the entire office has a lot of yellow elements. Okay, but let me actually take you all through the functionality of the office. So this is the mascot. This is like the seating area. We have plants here. These are going to keep growing. These are real plants. And I feel like plants, nature in general, adds a lot of positivity to an environment. Wait, but come in. I'll show you all like the business side of things. So as you know, there's two companies that run out of this one office, two organizations. What's up, everybody?
What's up?
So say hi to the Monk Entertainment team. Monk Entertainment started with Viraj and myself just helping other YouTubers with their business side of things. Eventually, it turned into helping a lot of brands with their work on social media, their work on the internet. And now we have an entire team of the most talented superheroes in the world of digital marketing and social media. So the girls here are the super talented social media team. The boys are the sales team. And we've actually got Mr. Business Head, the co-founder Viraj Sheth, sitting inside with Mr. Ayush. Ayush Tiwari is also a big superstar in the organization. He's about to launch his own music wing at Monk Entertainment. So that's their room. Kind of don't disturb them because they're very busy guys. You would have seen Viraj in a lot of Flying Beast vlogs, in Bionic stories, obviously in the Beer Bicep stories. Come in. I'll show you all the rest of the office. The CEO of Monk Entertainment is sitting right there. Her name's Jhalak Rawal. She's one of the brightest female entrepreneurs in the current startup scene in India. So come on, I'll make you say hi to her. What's up, Jhalak?
Hey, what's up?
As you can see, a lot of yellow elements. Jhalak has had a huge hand in designing the overall office space. This is basically our positivity and meetings room. So if we have a very formal person coming in for a meeting, we make them sit in that formal room with Viraj. If we have kind of a chilled out meeting with someone from the media industry, we make them sit on beanbags in this room because that's the vibe of the media industry. Also, one crucial thing about this room is all the glass paneling that you see around us. So all these spaces are used to write out plans. Again, if you've been a Beer Biceps follower for a while, you'd know that we're very big on making lists and executing tasks based on those lists. So that's basically what we do here. We kind of just write down, we ideate all over this room, and the room's overall got a positive, very strategic vibe. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the next room. So the next room is my room. This is my personal favorite part of the office. It's the editing center. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
What's up? So that's the beautiful editing and content team. I don't want to disturb them. As you can see, yellow wall. Obviously, it represents the Beer Biceps organization, but it also represents positivity. We've got glass here, and this is where we write all our task lists. Everyone's work is decided on this wall. All the strategy for the thumbnails and titles are decided here. These are the ongoing tasks that are running. A lot of strategies always going on in this space. Again, super high ceilings with the bamboo. I feel like every single element of the office adds a kind of vibe to the office. And I feel the bamboo adds a little bit of humility to the whole office. That's another aspect of our company culture. Everyone works with a lot of humility. Everyone works without egos. And that's why both the organizations keep growing. So this is the creative space. I'm going to leave it as it is, the most peaceful part of the office. We've kind of cordoned it off from the rest of the office using these blinds. So yeah, this is like a closed space. Becomes a very chilled out environment after everyone leaves. It kind of allows the editors to stay within their own edit and create the best quality videos for you guys. And this is the final creative zone of the office. Our graphic designers sit here. They've actually left the office today. But this is the, again, one more, it's kind of like an extension of that and an extension of that. That's why it's in the corner. Also, super special. I'm going to show you all the only things that mean something to me. So that's the gold play button. I don't need to say much about it. Right next to it are 3 bikes which stand for Mr. Rajesh Pardeshi, Mr. Viraj Sheth and myself, because we started out the businesses. So it's kind of a reminder of where all this started, when the whole organization was just run by 3 people. And we were single-handedly doing everything from like business to edits to video work to strategy to creatives. It's kind of a reminder that, you know, you don't need to really worry about where your life is going. You just need a few motivated people to work at it. And that's another kind of aspect that we want to set onto the organization's culture. So yeah, let's move on to the rest of the office, which is the floor above us. Okay, bye everybody. Bye. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. So I'll quickly show you all, don't want to disturb Mr. Sheth, but this is our pantry. We basically have all the food, the coffee set up here. And this is one of my most favorite parts, not just of the office, but of the entire world in general. Keep in mind, I'm taking off my shoes because the part of the office that we're going to is my loft. It's my studio, but it's also my meditation space. I actually meditate there. So it's sort of a temple in a way. No one's allowed to take their shoes up there. We kind of keep the place clean. We keep the place dirt free, and we keep the place full of peaceful vibes. So come on, let me show you all. Again, a lot of glass going all around because we want the office space to feel a little bit spacious. Come on. So as you can see, I've not hidden anything, I've not cleaned up the place because I want you all to see how it is in its natural element. We've always got the istri, the iron that's ready to iron all my clothes before shoots. This is a general wall just to set a very nice chilled vibe to the room. We've also used a lot of sound engineering in this room. As you can hear the AC, it's very soft in this room. The sound quality is much better. The walls absorb sound much better. Eventually, when we do start our podcast, it's going to be in this room. The whole room is designed like a podcast room, but we also use it as a studio and a meditation space. These absorb sound. We've also made a special podcast table so that one day when I get all my entrepreneur friends, we can have like these group podcasts where I just have a long form conversation with them. And obviously you guys will get to see it. But to be honest, I don't know when we'll do it because we're so caught up in making videos right now. This is the light we use. These are the podcast chairs, which are also capable of absorbing a lot of sound. And let me just show you all my favorite part. I keep saying my favorite part of the office, but all of it's my favorite part. Okay, so as you can see, you'll see me doing a lot of videos here, especially if you all subscribe to the Hindi channel. You'll know that I do a lot of videos on this grey wall. Initially, it was just gonna be one grey wall, but then we thought, wait, why not make different colored walls? That's why we've made this shooting setup where we have yellow, we have blue, and we also have green for the green screen work. You'll see a lot of green screen work happening in our videos very soon. And this is plain white, so it gives us a lot of options for backgrounds in our videos. Earlier I used to only shoot videos at home, and which was okay, but it would cause a lot of problems for the people who also lived in my house, like my family. So we thought, let's kind of design the office in such a way that our Beer Biceps work becomes streamlined, becomes faster. This is the solution we came up with. So yeah, it's super efficient. I'll also link the handle of the architect as well as the set designer, the people who worked on this office space down below. Make sure you check it out. And finally, I want to show you all parts of the office that are super personal to me. They mean a lot to me. I'm not going to show you close-ups of it because it's a little unethical in the world of yoga, but I have my meditation altar right there. means a lot to me. We've also made a gadda here, like a basic seating arrangement. If some people want, they can come up and take naps here. It's not entirely ready. That's why you see the pillowcase-less pillows. But yeah, we sit here, we meditate here. So I'll just kind of face the wall there, and I'll just sit to like meditate like this. And because it's soundproof, it's one of the most peaceful feelings in the world. So if I'm ever stressed, if I need some kind of an inspiration for an idea for a video, or if I need inspiration for business in general, this is where I come and get it. A place's vibe is decided by the people who get into that place, who work out of that place, who do certain activities in that place. And especially if you're someone who meditates, the places you meditate in, you kind of set a vibe for that place. That's why we've tried keeping a very peaceful, very positive vibe in the loft. We write a lot of our content here. Every time someone's stressed in the office, we come to the loft, chill out a little bit. It's like a temple come studio. So yeah, that was the office space. If you all enjoyed it, make sure you give that thumbs up button. Remember that if we've made this office space, it's because of all the love that you guys have shown us. Of course, we've worked hard towards it, but all this wouldn't have been possible without your support. So thank you. I love you so much, each and every one of you all, from the bottom of my heart. One big hug and one big thank you. Remember, the architect and the set designer's handles are linked below. If you enjoyed it, go show them some love. Follow them on Instagram because they had a huge role to play in creating this beautiful space. Anyway, until next time, guys, from Ranveer, the team, and just all the positivity in the world in general, thanks and love you.